when should I put down a spring pre-emerge to kill weeds in my lawn? Well, I hope that you did that back in February. All right?
Yes.
Because here's one thing, we had sufficient rain back in February, so it definitely would have got watered in.
Yes.
And the only reason why you're really putting down pre-emerge in the spring is to catch crabgrass and goosegrass. I mean, that's primarily what you're trying to control. So doing that in February would have helped, okay? Because we don't know what Mother Nature's is going to show us as far as, you know, warm or more cold weather.
Yeah.
But after the warm weather in February, especially in the last part of February, there's a chance that crabgrass could already be germinating.
That's true.
Right? Because forsythia is already in bloom in some places. And usually when forsythia is in bloom, that means crabgrass is starting to germinate. All right?
Yes, and also some cherry trees. Some okami cherry trees have started blooming, and it's a little early.
Yeah, it is. So yeah, I hope you, yeah, it's best to get that down in February, get it watered in. And there are a couple of products that you can use. There's Dimension, which is one. It has a soil life of about 17 to 20 days. There's Pendulum, which has a soil life of about 40 to 50 days. And then there's the stuff that the commercial guys use, which is Barricade, which you can get. And it has a soil life of about 120 days. So whatever, you know, it says on the label, just read the label, follow it, put it down, you know, at this time, and then go out 40 days or 120 days or whatever, you know, it says on that bag, and just reapply. It should decrease or reduce your weed population.
Definitely.
All right. But it would have been so good to have gotten that down with all of this rain we had back in February.
Yes.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.